Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to enable and disable the Google Advanced Security Protection. So let's check it out. Google might change the user interface or settings for doing this. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you have a Google account where you keep very sensitive or private information, or if you are constantly facing account hack issues, then you can try this. This will be handy for big YouTubers, journalists, politicians, etc. When you use the advanced protection option, it will disable the usage of SMS codes, authenticator, etc. Instead, they will rely on passkeys or physical security keys to authenticate, which are much more safer. We will also get advanced malware scanning and account recovery process. Like if you lose your password or passkeys, then it will take days to recover your account back, and certain third-party apps won't work unless they are trusted by Google. To do this, we have to open a web browser on our mobile or desktop device. Then we have to go to g.co/advanced protection. We will get a page like this, or we can go to Google and simply type Google Advanced Protection Program. We can open that website. We can do anything and we will get a page like this. Here we can see Google's strongest security. We can read all about this here. So to enable this, we have to go to the bottom and we will have the Get Started option here. We can select this, or we can go to this hamburger menu and we will have the Get Started option here as well. We can select that. Then we have to select the Google account for which we want to have the highest best security possible. Then we will get a page like this. That's all. So here, before we enable this, we have to make sure we have three things ready: passkey or physical security key, recovery phone number, and recovery email address. Thankfully, we can do this directly on this page itself. We are going to prefer the passkeys method instead of using a physical security key. We can select this and we can select create passkey. We can do this. If we haven't, we will get a pop-up like this. Here select create a passkey. We have to do the verification. So if we already have a passkey, it will say like this. If not, it will be created. We can select OK. Passkeys are like a replacement for passwords. We can use our fingerprints, Face ID, etc. We should have enabled this lock option on our device first. Then using a recovery phone number and recovery email address are standard. We have to enter a phone number and email address which can help us to get our Google account back if we face any security issues. We have to add them and verify them as well. We have to enter the verification codes here. That's all. When we select this enroll option, Google will sign you out of all your other devices. You have to sign in again using your passkey or security key. So to enroll, we have to select this enroll in advanced protection. We will get a pop-up like this saying successful. That's all. We will also get the option to unenroll from advanced protection. We can select this if we want. After enrolling, we can also open the Google app. Select our required Google account. Then go to the profile pic icon. Go to manage your Google account. Here go to security and sign in. Here we can see advanced protection program enrolled. We can select this, do the account verification, and we can disable this as well if we want. We can go to the bottom and we can disable this. We will get a pop-up like this. We can select unenroll anyway. That's all. We can also do this for our Google Workspace accounts. If you are the admin or if you can contact the admin, then go to admin.google.com, search for advanced protection program, select the first one, Here we will get a section like this, and we have to enable user enrollment. We have to save this, and after that we can go to g.co/advanced protection, login using the Workspace account. Then we will get like this. Here we have to do these three things: passkeys, recovery phone, recovery email. Then we can select enroll in advanced protection, turning on. That's all. You have successfully enrolled in advanced protection. We can select done. That's all. We can also unenroll by selecting this link again. These are the steps to enable and disable the Google Advanced Security Protection. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.